Welcome. In front of me is a Meizu M6T, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel and find the hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, hold the toggle and this will take us to the settings where we can actually customize it. So from here, portable hotspot, you want to navigate to, let's see, LAN tethering configuration and start off by changing the password. If you tap right over here, you'll see that password that is set by default. Now for you, it will be obviously different. This is just some randomly generated password, so we can simply remove this one because it sucks, let's be honest. So let's remove this one and set our own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, as you can see. So I'm gonna select something really complicated. There we go. At which point you will be able to save. Now you also have the option to change the AP band from 2.4 to 5 gigahertz. Now, this option is dependent if your device that you will be connecting to this hotspot with supports 5 gigahertz. You can check it out, turn it on. If you just simply don't see the hotspot, then go back, drop it to 2.4, and then you should see it, no problem. It will just mean that your device doesn't support it. And security, keep it as it is, along with hide your network. I wouldn't also select that. So from there, let's just simply tap on OK. And we can now tap on the toggle right here to turn it on at any time. And there we go, portable hotspot is active. So right now it's enabled and you can connect to your hotspot. And once you're done with it, make sure you turn it off because as you've seen, it does turn off Wi-Fi. That is because it is using the Wi-Fi card to basically broadcast the signal. So when you're using hotspot, you won't have Wi-Fi, you will be only forced to use your mobile network. So once you're done with it, check it off and you will see that your Wi-Fi turns on automatically back on. So that being said, this is how you would enable it and set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.